I'm wondering if I can actually do a woolen survival kit. I've done so many urban kits, it's like, you know, I might even in the urban area, you know? By the way, this makes a good coaster. Well, because it's cotton, for one, so, you know. So it will absorb whatever, so, yeah. Also, I was surprised that, the towel thing actually is like a washcloth. So yeah, can I do a woodland survival kit? I have a bag. I'm gonna be using the version 2 bag since I'm not gonna be having much. I mean, I do have a bushcraft bag if I can find that. I could just do a bushcraft bag for woodland kit. So yeah. Anyway, the Postbox File. It's File in the Wasteland. Peace.